In this example, we'll go over the accessibility features of a full toggle drop-down menu. For this video, full toggle means the top level menu item does not have a destination. It only toggles the visibility of its own drop-down menu. We'll be using Bootstrap 4 in this demo. Bootstrap is a JavaScript framework that handles a lot of interactive things in a very accessible way. I'm going to demonstrate how its Bootstrap menu behaves for mouse users, touchscreen users, keyboard-only users, and screen reader users. Now, of course, I'm a mouse user here. When I go here to Messages, I can click it, and it'll expand. It stays expanded as long as I want it to. And I can look in here, and when I'm done, I can close it, or I could click on one of the links in it. Now, this is also a touchscreen. So if I click Messages, just like on the mouse, I can review these things. I could click one, or I could collapse it. If this was only on hover, I would not be able to use this because there is no hover state whenever you are a touchscreen user. And now I'll demonstrate how it works for a keyboard-only user. I just have the on-screen keyboard up since you can't see my real keyboard. If I hit Tab, I can go through. When I get to Messages, I can hit Enter to expand. I can hit Tab to get in it. I can hit Shift Tab to get out. And I can collapse it. Again, if this was only on hover, a keyboard-only user could not access this part of the menu because it would likely take them to a Messages landing page instead of expanding. And here it is as a screen reader user.
Bootstrap 4 dropdowns within a navbar. Navigation region. Brand link. List of 3 items. Visited link home. Visited link profile. Collapsed visited link messages.
Okay, as a screen reader, it tells me that it's a collapsed link. I'll hit Enter.
Enter. List. With 3 items. Messages expanded link.
So it says Messages expanded, which I know that now I have a drop-down menu.
Inbox link. Drafts link.
I can go back out.
Inbox link. Messages expanded link.
And I can collapse it.
Collapsed.
The screen reader only knows if it is expanded or collapsed if we tell it. We communicate that using ARIA attributes. ARIA stands for Accessible Rich Internet Application. It's an extremely complicated topic. We're not going to go into that. I'm just going to show you the one attribute that you need to understand. When used correctly, it can make a menu much more accessible. And if you're a web developer, the way it communicates whether it has a drop-down menu is right here. It says are expanded false.
Expanded.
And are expanded true.
Collapsed. Expanded. Collapsed.
And Bootstrap handles all of that for you, which is why I really recommend Bootstrap. We don't need to use Bootstrap, but it's a great design pattern to emulate.